It's everywhere. Soft, white, harmless. Something so ordinary you never think about it, until you suddenly can't find it. But behind this simple roll lies one of the most complex and relentless machines on Earth. Tons of pulp, pressure, and precision, all to create something used and forgotten in seconds. Few people ever see where it comes from, or how much it takes to make one perfect roll. This is the hidden world behind the thing you use every single day and never truly see. Our journey begins in the heart of sustainably managed pine forests, the source of our primary raw material. At the factory, the first step is preparing these logs by removing bark and chipping them into smaller pieces. These wood chips are then cooked in digesters, a crucial step to separate the cellulose fibers from lignin, forming wood to achieve the desired softness and whiteness for toilet paper. The pulp undergoes bleaching and further, the refined pulp, now mostly water, is spread onto a wire mesh to begin forming the continuous.
Temperatures are stable across the board.
This wet web is dried
Good. Let's
over
increase
heated
the speed
rollers
slightly at
and
the start.
then smooth
Initiating
and
the
compressed
adjustment
through
now.
calendering. Finally, the finished paper is wound into massive jumbo rolls, then precisely cut into the consumer-sized log. Our journey begins deep in sustainable forests, where advanced machinery makes the first crucial cut. Once felled, the branches are quickly removed, transforming the tree into a usable log. Precision cutting ensures each pine log meets the exact specifications required for manufacturing. These perfectly cut pine logs are then systematically stacked, awaiting transport. These sorted logs are transferred onto specialized trucks, ready for their journey. Fully loaded, these valuable pine logs begin their journey from the forest to the modern manufacturing facility. Deep within the forest, carefully processed pine logs await their journey. Powerful machinery stands by, ready to begin the heavy lifting of these essential resources. The first bundles of pine logs are secured onto the waiting trucks. Each log, a vital component, is strategically placed, maximizing transport efficiency. A rhythmic ballet of machinery and material ensures a steady flow of resources from forest. With their valuable cargo secured, the drivers perform final checks, preparing for the long journey. The convoy begins its journey, traversing rugged logging roads towards the open highway. Carrying the essential raw materials, a steady stream of trucks journeys towards the modern manufacturing facility. Our journey begins where the raw material arrives, straight from the forest.
Truck
Once
42,
at the site,
bring it around to the
these
east
massive
pile.
logs
Watch your
are
hydraulics,
efficiently
careful on the
unloaded,
drop.
ready for their transformation. These vast quantities of timber are organized into enormous wood piles, ensuring a steady supply for continuous production. The first critical step in processing begins as logs are fed into the formidable debarking drum. Inside, the logs tumble, vigorously stripping away all bark in preparation for pulping. Our journey begins as massive debarked logs are precisely fed into the initial processing stages. These prepared logs are then channeled directly towards the formidable wood chipper. With incredible precision, the chipper's mighty jaws prepare to transform the timber. In a blur of motion, the logs are instantly reduced to their fibrous core. From solid logs, we now have a torrent of perfectly sized wood chips, ready for the next stage. Here, the journey begins with raw wood chips entering massive chemical digesters. These colossal vats are where the wood chips are cooked under intense pressure. Specialized chemicals are then introduced, initiating the craft process. Inside, a precise cooking process unfolds, breaking down the wood structure. The craft process is key, carefully separating the valuable cellulose fibers. This leaves behind the pure cellulose, the essential building block for paper. Our engineers meticulously monitor every stage to ensure optimal fiber separation. The digesters work tirelessly, transforming wood into a raw pulp slurry. From these digesters emerges the beginnings of our toilet paper, a brown pulp. After initial processing, the raw brown pulp is ready for purification. The first step is a thorough washing to remove soluble impurities and residual chemicals. Following washing, the pulp is meticulously screened to extract any remaining physical impurities. This crucial screening step ensures only the finest, most uniform fibers proceed to the bleaching stage. The journey to brightness begins with the elemental chlorine-free, or ECF, bleaching process. This multi-stage process precisely controls chemical reactions, gradually lightening the pulp's color. The meticulous ECF process culminates in pulp that is bright, pure, and ready for papermaking. Our journey begins with the pure essence, meticulously prepared cellulose pulp. Next, this vital fiber meets its partner, a vast quantity of pure water. Within immense vats, the transformation begins as pulp and water combine.
See this
Precision
spike in the consistency
is
graph.
paramount. Advanced
We should
controls
adjust the agitator
ensure
speed
the perfect
immediately.
blend. The result is a homogeneous pulp slurry, a precise foundation for quality paper. At the heart of the wet end, the prepared pulp slurry begins its transformation. Precision is key as the headbox receives the uniform mixture. A delicate curtain of pulp is gently laid upon the moving screen. Watch closely as the liquid meets the speed of the mesh. Beneath the surface, gravity and suction begin their work. As water recedes, the microscopic fibers start their intricate bond. From a liquid state, a fragile sheet of paper slowly emerges. A watchful eye ensures the quality of this nascent web. The wet end relentlessly crafts the foundation of every toilet paper roll. The journey of the paper web continues as it makes a critical transition from the forming screen. Once transferred, the felt blanket acts as a vital guide, carrying the nascent paper. The press section is where the real work of water removal begins, utilizing immense pressure. With incredible force, the rollers effectively press out a significant portion of the remaining water. After passing through the press, the paper web is transformed, gaining strength and solidity. Throughout this critical stage, skilled American technicians ensure the process runs flawlessly. The entire press section operates as a symphony of synchronized engineering, optimizing the paper's moisture content. At the heart of the drying process lies the massive Yankee dryer. The damp paper sheet makes its critical approach. It presses firmly against the internally steam-heated, polished cast iron cylinder. The cylinder's highly polished surface is crucial for heat transfer and paper quality. In less than a second, the transformation is remarkable. Internal steam heating ensures an incredibly fast drying time. Our senior machine operator meticulously monitors the drying parameters. Next, a specialized creping blade comes into play. This blade gently scrapes the dried paper off the yanking. This critical step is what creates the signature softness and unique texture of tissue paper. The newly textured paper emerges, ready for the next stage. Quality control is paramount, even at this rapid pace. From damp sheet to perfectly soft tissue, the dryer section is a marvel of engineering. At the very heart of the paper machine's dry end, an extraordinary transformation takes place. This seemingly endless web of paper is destined to be compacted onto a single, colossal core. The journey begins on a robust cardboard core, engineered to withstand immense weight and tension. With incredible speed, the continuous sheet of tissue paper begins to wrap around the core, layer upon layer. Skilled operators meticulously monitor every parameter, ensuring flawless execution. The entire winder assembly works in perfect synchronization, a ballet of industrial precision. Maintaining perfect tension is crucial to ensure a uniform, high-quality parent roll. Each revolution adds another layer, steadily increasing the immense size of the parent roll. Quality control is a continuous effort, with operators conducting visual and tactile inspections. Approaching its 5-ton weight, the parent roll becomes a monumental cylinder of soft tissue. Soon, this colossal roll will be precisely cut into smaller segments, ready for the next stage of production. In the converting department, the journey of raw paper begins with the majestic parent roll. With incredible strength and precision, the automated system secures the massive roll. Guided by precision technology, the parent roll makes its way to the heart of the converting process. Precise alignment ensures the seamless start of the converting machine. With both parent rolls in place, the converting machine springs to life, creating the foundational two-ply web. Here, the journey takes a crucial turn as two delicate plies of tissue paper prepare for transformation. Watch closely as the precisely engineered steel rollers begin their intricate work, creating a bond with it's within these powerful rollers that the paper receives its signature texture, a distinct quilted pattern pressed. This ingenious process doesn't rely on adhesives, but on a clever physical bond. Interweaving the plies from separate sheets, the paper emerges as a single, unified, and textured web, ready for its next stage of. The distinct quilted pattern is not just aesthetic, it's a critical design element, enhancing the product's strength and our skilled team constantly monitors every detail, ensuring the highest quality in every sheet produced. While this pattern is common, a variety of unique textures can be created, each designed for optimal performance, and with its new strength and texture, the paper is now seamlessly integrated into the production line, ready for the next critical phase. After embossing, the two-ply tissue sheets begin their rapid journey. It's here, at the perforation unit, where precision truly takes center stage. Razor-sharp blades precisely cut the tear-off lines.
From
Emerging
perforation,
from the unit,
the paper
each
is guided
sheet now
swiftly
bears
towards
its
the rewinder.
precisely engineered tear points. From perforation, the paper is guided swiftly towards the rewinder. Meanwhile, new cardboard cores are ready, awaiting the paper. The first layers of paper begin to adhere to the core. Then, with incredible speed, the paper wraps tightly, building the log's diameter. In mere seconds, a complete, tightly wound log is formed. This continuous process yields a steady stream of finished logs. A skilled line supervisor monitors every detail, ensuring quality and efficiency. Once wound, the massive paper logs embark on their journey to the cutting stage. Precision robotics guide each log, ensuring a seamless transition towards its transformation. The destination is the log saw, where these large rolls will be perfectly portioned. This sophisticated machine is designed for unparalleled precision and speed. With incredible velocity, the high-speed circular blade slices through the dense paper logs. In slow motion, the remarkable. From another perspective, observe the flawless parting of the paper into perfect rolls. A continuous flow of perfectly formed, consumer-ready toilet paper rolls emerges from the log saw. Though automated, skilled operators ensure every cut meets the highest quality standards. Each individual roll is a testament to the precision engineering of the process. From cutting, the individual rolls advance to the next stage of packaging and preparation. Once manufacturing is complete, finished toilet paper rolls undergo rigorous quality assurance. These rolls are then transported to a dedicated quality control laboratory. In the sterile environment of the lab, preparations begin for a series of meticulous tests. First, individual sheets are measured to ensure they meet exact specifications. Next, the strength of each perforation line is tested to prevent tearing during use. Ply separation is crucial for product integrity, ensuring layers remain bonded. Softness, a key consumer comfort factor, is assessed using both tactile and instrumental methods. All test results are meticulously recorded and analyzed to maintain consistent quality. Only after passing every rigorous examination are the toilet paper rolls approved for distribution. From the finishing lines, individual toilet paper rolls begin their journey towards final packaging.
Enter the heart of automation.
Key,
Sophisticated robotic arms stand ready to transform individual rolls into multi-packs.
Enter the heart of automation. Sophisticated robotic arms stand ready to transform individual rolls into With incredible speed and accuracy, the robots assemble dozens of rolls into consumer-ready packages like a perfect 12-pack. Once assembled, these multi-packs are seamlessly transferred, preparing for their final protective layer. The wrapping machine springs to life, precisely applying the branded plastic film that protects and showcases each. Finally, the finished, branded toilet paper multi-packs emerge, ready for distribution to homes around the world. Once individual toilet paper rolls are bundled into multi-packs, they're ready for the next stage. The sophisticated case packer begins its work, precisely feeding the multi-packs. Inside, the machine meticulously arranges the toilet paper multi-packs into awaiting cardboard shipping boxes. Once filled, the boxes are automatically sealed, ensuring product integrity for transit. Ready for distribution, these perfectly packed boxes now move towards the final loading areas. Once sealed, the individual boxes of toilet paper rolls begin their journey to final packaging. These boxes are precisely guided to the robotic palletizer, where automation takes over. A sophisticated robotic arm central to the palletizing process prepares with incredible accuracy. The robotic arm picks up the first box of the initial layer of boxes is carefully placed, forming the stable base of the pallet. The robot methodically stacks subsequent layers, employing an interlock. Layer by layer, the pallet grows into a robust and neatly organized unit. Finally,
the completed pallet is then automatically conveyed to the wrapping station.
Stands ready for the next stage. The completed pallet is then automatically conveyed to the wrapping station. Here, a specialized machine swiftly wraps the entire pallet in protective plastic film. The fully wrapped pallet, now protected and secure, is ready for storage or shipment.